Sheeta Mitra, an astrologer and a healer. I'm back again with you with another set of signs in my series of Know Yourself Better with the help of zodiac signs in Vedic astrology. So today I'll be talking about the two signs, which is Taurus and Libra, ruled by Venus, the most magnificent and the brightest star in the sky. Before I go further, I would like to tell you a little bit about Lord Venus. Lord Venus was the biggest astrologer. He had the strength and the power to raise the dead with the help of Sanjeevani Vidya. Means लॉर्ड वीनस या शुक्राचार्य के पास ही सिर्फ ऐसी पावर थी, ऐसी स्ट्रेंथ थी कि वो मरे हुए इंसान में भी जान डाल सकते थे. यस, एंड टॉरस एंड लिब्रंस आर द ब्लेस्ड पीपल. दे ऑलरेडी पोजेस दिस क्वालिटी इन देम. अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो मरे हुए इंसान में भी जान डाल सकते हैं, बट दे आर वेरी पेशेंट एंड दे लव टू हेल्प पीपल. कोई भी इंसान इनके पास अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स लेकर जाएगा, वो बहुत पेशेंटली उसको सुनेंगे, उसको समझेंगे, एंड देन विल गाइड देम विदाउट बीइंग पार्शियल. they'll do justice with them and guide them to the right path. Venus loves peace and harmony. They value relationships. So being the lord of Taurus and Libras, such natives are peace lovers. They're very charismatic. They are the charmers, friendly and peace lovers. Both the signs are brilliant and intelligent. कोई भी शुभ काम or any auspicious work is performed and preferred when Venus is rising in the sky. चलिए अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. आज का जो हमारा फर्स्ट साइन है वो है टॉरस, द साइन ऑफ अ बिल्डर, प्रॉपर्टी एंड फाइनेंस. इट इज़ अ फिक्स्ड एंड एन earthy sign. So if Taurus is rising in your first house in your Vedic chart, then of course you're a Taurian. And if your Lagna is falling between 0 degree and 10 degree Taurus, then such people are very practical and dependable. They are trustworthy and great achievers. You can rely upon them and they will keep up to their promise. They get what they want in life. They have heavy expenditures followed by great income. They love to spend on the luxuries and comfortable items. They love to wear branded clothes and carry branded bags. But they need to control their anger and ego. If the ascendant is rising between 10 degree and 20 degree Taurus, then such people are very sensitive and highly intellectual. They are capable of handling large issues, whether it's at home or with the public as a whole. They have good knowledge of land, property, finance and accounts. They're very careful with their money matters and they love to invest rather than to spend. They want to make their future secure. But when they decide to do something, nothing can stop them. They need to check on their fixed and the stubborn nature. If your Lagna is rising between 20 degree and 30 degree Taurus, you're very creative and have good administrative ability. You may not gain happiness from wealth. You may experience difficulties as you grow old. They love to do their routine work. Slow and steady wins the race is their mantra. They prefer non-action to action, and they are known for their patience and tolerance. They are advised to be careful with money matters, and they need to guard against tendency of having inferiority complex, as such people hold on to their emotions and suppress their feelings. They are very secretive and do not like to share their secrets. So now I move on to my second sign for today, which is Libra. the sign of a diplomat and justice. This is the second sign ruled by Venus, the goddess of wealth and beauty. Libran sign is relative to the 7th house of your horoscope, the house of marriage and partnership. Being a movable sign and an airy sign, you're very fickle-minded and indecisive in your nature. So if Libra is the rising sign and your ascendant is falling between 0 degree and 10 degree Libra, then such natives are very adaptable and easygoing. You have the ability to get along well with everyone, and this is your biggest asset. You love to serve others, help others. You're very fond of traveling, eating good food, wearing good clothes, dressing up, fond of jewelry, and are social conscious people. You're good at business and very attractive and charming. Artistic, soft at heart, and you love to dance and listen to music. People might take advantage of you, so you better be careful. If your Lagna or ascendant is rising between 10 degree and 20 degree Libra, then you're impartial and very fair in your dealings. But you're a bit lazy too. You have sound judgment and this quality of yours makes you invaluable. You're good leaders, intelligent and very patient. आपको फालतू बोलना बिल्कुल ही पसंद नहीं है. You don't talk much. You can make money with constant hard work. If your Lagna or the ascendant is falling between 20 degree and 30 degree Libra, then such people are very tactful and can handle every situation. They see struggles in early part of life. Very smart, clever, harmless and appreciate others. You love peace, harmony, but you're a bit flirtatious too. And किसी भी पार्टी की रौनक हैं आप किसी भी पार्टी में जान ला सकते हैं. You're very fun loving and easygoing. Keen perception with foresight is your forte. You have a lot of hidden talents. You're very cheerful and loving. You have good money and you are a lover of art. So with this, I've finished my 2 zodiac signs for today. So if you really want to make your Venus strong in the chart, the best remedy to do is have good relationships with everybody, with your partner, your friends and your family. Trust me guys, Venus is the planet for wealth and luxuries. Be kind to others, love them unconditionally, don't be judgmental and love them from your heart. Be kind, helpful and forgiving. Forgive and forget should be your mantra. Believe me, ऐसे करने से आप अपना वीनस, अपना शुक्र इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लेंगे, इतना अच्छा कर लेंगे that आपको कभी भी वेल्थ की कमी नहीं होगी and you will always remain happy and healthy. Thank you and I hope you like my video. I will be back soon with rest of the signs. Thank you.